Just don't grate your fingers.
Well, I've done that too.
Connie Sterling on Facebook, you often recommend using freshly grated nutmeg. When you grate nutmeg, how deep can you grate, aka how small do you take the nutmeg?
On the zester side of your microplane or grater.
I think she wants to know how how far down do you go?
You use the whole thing. Use the entire piece of nutmeg.
Just don't grate your fingers.
Well, I've done that too. It's not fun. It's, I suppose, more protein in the dish. But
Yeah, there we go.
yeah, try not to grate your fingers, but you can use all of the nutmeg, and I use the zester, the smallest, the itty-bittiest grater that you have.
This is from Kathy Jones on Facebook. John, who plays violin in your band? Still in love with the show from home, so homey and personal. Well, that is
Lainey.
our dear friend Lainey, Elaine Caswell, who is married to our drummer Sean Pelton, who you may recognize from the Saturday Night Live band. He's been their drummer for a long time.
Elaine, she works with everyone in the world.
Yeah.
She's a beautiful musician and a very amazing voice, amazing chanteuse and singer, like fantastic.
Yeah, she. I discovered her back in the '80s when she was on.
Well, you didn't discover her. You mean you started listening to her?
I didn't discover her. I'm not like some crazy LA agent.
Right.
But I heard her on a Joe Jackson album called Body and Soul back in the '80s.
She's incredible.
Yeah, she's.
And she's also, of course, a member of the Cringe and the Hootenanny, your bands. And a member of the band Cooking Club.
She's our fam.
Yes.
This is from.
Hi, Lainey.
Hi, Lainey. This is from Dorothy, and hey, Sean. This is from Dorothy Daniels, 1970 on Instagram.
Dorothy Daniels, what a name.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
My niece is about to have a baby in November. I want to make some meals for them to help them out. What are your go-to meals to take your friends when they are sick or have had a baby, etc.?
Baked pasta dishes, soups, think comfort foods and things that freeze well. So anything saucy or soupy freezes well. Lasagnas freeze really well. And you can, if you want to be really delightful, you can bring them one ready to go and one that is not cooked off yet, something that's not baked off or that it's fully cooled so it can go into the freezer. I actually make the vessel you would deliver it in.
Yes,
I make a thing called the lasagna lugger, and I have a double-decker one, and you can keep a frozen one in the bottom and a hot one on top. But I actually make thermal containers for casseroles and lasagnas.
So you gift them not only the food, but the container.
But the container.
The food is in.
But you don't have to go that far. You can bring it to them in Tupperware if you like. But generally speaking, saucy or soupy things, marinara sauce, spaghetti and meatballs, keep the spaghetti on the side. They can cook it off whenever they like. Pasta sauces,
chili,
minestrone, chili. If you just had a baby, you might not want a giant bowl of
maybe
chili.
not.
Yeah. Lasagna always works. Any baked pasta. Is that it? I think that's all we have time for.